One edit's like this.
Seamless.
Today I'm giving all my secrets to make an invincible edit. In my upload settings that have left my channel barren, here's a glitch effect tutorial. Like if I should make more tutorials. I have multiple methods. I'll just show all of them from easiest to hardest. Method 1. Using an overlay. The overlay way you know is completely wrong. Here's the correct overlay method.